Hey guys, this is Josh with the Gear Sanctuary. Thank you for tuning in. Alright guys, this is another day of unboxings and new gear. I normally don't post any videos on the weekends, but I decided that today was my birthday, and I got some cool stuff. Today you're going to get 3 videos, 2 unboxings, and a slight tabletop overview due to a suggestion from a video by Aerocord USA. His everyday carry for a flashlight is a Bushnell little pocket flashlight. So my wife and I were in Walmart yesterday, and they had what he suggested, and I had to get one. So let's get to it. Little pocket flashlight, 50 lumens, and I thought I would try it out. So I'm going to rip this puppy open, and we're going to have a quick tabletop overview. So in the box, as you can see, there's some slight information on the back of there. 50 lumens, 2 hours and 15 minutes run time, and 32 meter distance, and some other good information. There is also, it's also a little tiny pocket user guide. Just some good stuff, whatever. All right, this little flashlight is a This little flashlight is a 1 AAA battery usage. And we're going to take a look at this.
Yeah. All right.
As you can see, a nice little pocket clip. I would have rather this pocket clip gone the other way so I could stick it onto a hat or something. Baseball cap, whatnot. I may figure something else out to do that. But momentary switch, or full-on push it down all the way. This is a pretty nice light. It's pretty bright. 50 lumens is pretty good, especially for a pocket EDC light. All right, guys, I would say that this probably weighs an ounce or less. It is extremely light. It's made of aircraft-grade aluminum. It feels good in the hand. It's pretty good. Guys, I will let you know how this works as an EDC flashlight in a couple of weeks. I'm going to pocket this every day and see how it works up, and we'll go from there. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in to this tabletop overview of the Bushnell Pro 50 lumen flashlight. And guys, thank you so much for tuning in. As always, guys, please feel free to comment, like, subscribe, and share. And guys, as always, until we meet again.
Till we meet again.